Behold the spider's web, a masterpiece of natural engineering, a testament to intricate design, a marvel of creation. Pound for pound, spider silk is stronger than steel. And the web's design? A perfect trap, built with mathematical precision. The Quran uses the spider's web as a metaphor, but also highlights its intricate nature, a reflection of Allah's creative power. The spider's web, a fragile beauty, a feat of engineering, a reminder of the intricate wonders in Allah's creation. Spin your own web of knowledge, subscribe.